This video walks you through each step, from setting up the app to adding or removing devices safely, ensuring your Apple ecosystem stays organized and secure. Part 1. How to set the Find My app. To set up Find My, open Settings, tap your Apple ID name, select Find My, and turn on Find My iPhone. Enable Find My Network to locate your device offline and send last location to automatically share its location when the battery is low. Part 2. How to add a device to Find My iPhone. Once Find My is enabled, most Apple devices are added automatically when they are signed in with the same Apple ID. This makes it easy to manage all your Apple products in one place without extra setup. Method 1. Add a new iPhone or iPad automatically. Turn on your new iPhone or iPad, sign in with your Apple ID, ensure Find My iPhone is enabled, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and it will automatically appear in the Find My app. Method 2. Add a Mac to Find My. Open System Settings, select your Apple ID iCloud, and turn on Find My Mac. Make sure Location Services is enabled. Your Mac will then be added to the Find My network and appear in the Find My app. Method 3. Add AirPods, Apple Watch, or other Apple devices. Sign into your iPhone with your Apple ID, pair your AirPods, Apple Watch, or other Apple devices via Bluetooth, and they'll automatically appear in the Find My app. Part 3. How to remove a device from Find My iPhone. If you no longer use a device or have already sold, replaced, or erased it, you can remove it from Find My iPhone to keep your device list clean and secure. Below are several simple ways to do it. Method 1. Remove a device directly from the Find My app. Open the Find My app, go to Devices, select the device, tap Remove this device, and confirm. Note: you may need to erase the device first if it is still linked or active. Method 2. Remove a device through Settings. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, select the device from the linked devices list, tap Remove from Account, confirm the removal. Method 3. Remove a device using iCloud website. Sign into iCloud.com with your Apple ID. Open Find My, select the device from all devices, erase it if necessary, then click Remove from Account. Method 4. Remove a device remotely after erasing it. Erase the device using Find My or iCloud, then select Remove from Account after wiping it. This disconnects it from your Apple ID and Find My network. Method 5. Remove a device from Find My iPhone without account. Removing a device from Find My iPhone is normally restricted if you've lost access to your Apple ID, but some third-party tools like iOS Unlock offer device management and account recovery options. Note: all your files will be deleted, so do a backup first. Step 1. Download iOS, unlock and install it on your computer. Once opened, connect your iPhone or iPad via USB. Select Screen Unlock from the interface. On the next window, choose Remove Apple ID. Then ensure the device is unlocked and trust your computer. Step 2. The software may require the device to be in a specific state, such as recovery or standard setup, to proceed with account management. Follow the on-screen guidance provided by the tool. Step 3. After you complete the reset on your iPhone and reboot, the software will immediately start unlocking Apple ID. Wait for some time for the lock to be removed. Step 4. Once you have successfully completed the Apple ID unlock process, a confirmation window will appear. Check to see if the Apple ID has been removed.